Hello everybody, today we would like to demonstrate how you can set an alarm on your iPhone 14 series device. So first of all, you gotta swipe downwards from the right part of your status bar in order for the control center to be launched. Next, over here, just see if you have the dedicated alarm shortcut. If not, just launch settings, then go for the control center category. In the more controls, find the alarm shortcut, then add it by clicking on the plus sign. And now at all times you'll be able to launch the alarm page from your control center. So once the alarm page is launched or opened, at the top right corner tap on this plus sign, select for what particular time you would like to set the alarm by altering this to little circles or fields. Basically, the first field is hour scale, the second one is for minutes, and then you have the third section that allows you to choose the AM or PM time is that you're talking about. Then choose the at what times you would like for this alarm to be repeated. So basically, in my case it's never, so it's a one-time alarm. You can also change its label, the sound, and whether it will provide you with the snooze feature or the snooze functional. And after you are basically all set to enable the alarm, just tap on the save option at the top right corner, and just like so, you have successfully set an alarm clock on your iPhone already. So that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.